Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a face mask with a filter pocket. So let's get started. The first step is to place our two pieces of fabric. The first one is gonna be the front one that you're gonna see, and the other is gonna be the lining that is gonna be behind. And here you can see the measurements for each piece. Feel free to pause the video to see them better. Next step is to place our main fabric, and then on the top of it we are going to place the lining. And here you can see that I place it with the right side of the both fabrics facing each other. After this we are going to sew on the both sides, leaving a space in the middle for the filter pocket. Approximately I recommend to sew around 4 centimeters on each side, and after that we need to press well with the iron. After we press, as you can see, here is the space for the filter, and we need to sew on the bottom and on the top part, and this is gonna help for the fabric to not unravel when we put the filter in and out. And then we're going to sew on the other side as well. After this we're going to turn it inside out, and then after this we're going to press well with the iron. Now when we have it nicely pressed, it's time to make the folds. We are going to make 3 folds in total, and the first fold should be approximately 5 centimeters from the top, and I secure it with pins. And now when we have all the folds pin in place, we're just going to press it with an iron. And when we have it nicely pressed, we're going to turn the back around, and then we're going to sew on the both sides. When we have this done, we're going to press 2 times on the both sides in order to have a good finish for the mask, and this also is going to be the tunnel for the elastic. And we should do the same thing on the both sides of the mask. After this, when we have the both sides nicely pressed, we're going to sew. And now when we finish with the sewing, it's time to place the elastic. Here you can see the measurements for the elastic. We're going to need 2 of them, and here I'm using safety pin in order to put the elastic through the tunnel. I definitely recommend a thinner elastic, but since I didn't have one, I used this one. And after we pull the elastic through the tunnel, we're just going to make a knot, and we're going to cut the rest that we don't need so it will be more comfortable to wear. And after this, I'm gonna show you how to put the pocket. As you can see, I definitely recommend to leave the opening in the middle bigger. I did a little mistake that I didn't leave it bigger enough, but you can definitely do that. And here is the result. I really like how it looks. It's super comfortable to wear, and it's washable. You can wash it for disinfection, and it's gonna be ready to go when you need to go out. I definitely like that you can use colorful fabrics for this, and it can look quite cool. I really hope you like this video. Please let me know what do you think in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye!